In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight active row in Excel. Now look at example, like maybe I select this row and automatically Excel will highlight that row. I'm going to show you 3 steps in which you can do this. Now just follow this video very carefully. Now, in order for us to highlight on a selected or the active row, now this is what we're going to do. So just hold Control A. When you hold Control A, the Control A will highlight all the data or the sheet. Now we're going to use conditional formatting to do that. So what you have to do is that you come to conditional formatting, which is under the home tab. So you come to conditional formatting and you come to new row. Now when you come to new row, now choose the last one here. That is, use a formula to determine which cells to format. So this is the formula that you are going to use. So I'll put the formula in the description so you can just copy it. So this is the formula: equals to rows, then you open brackets and then you close bracket, equals to cell, and then you have open bracket and then you have quote row and then quote and then you close. Now here, after that, what we have to do is that we have to click on the format. As you can see, we've not set any format for it, so I'll just click on format. Now when you come to format, then we'll come to the field tab. So when you come to the field here, you are going to choose any color that you want to use to format it. So let me just pick this color. After you are done, you just hit on OK, and then you can see it has highlighted on it. So what we're going to do is that we just have to modify the code a little. So this is what we are going to do. So what you have to do is that just right click on this sheet tab here, and now when you right click, then you come to the view code. And when you come to the view code, please kindly change this to the worksheet, because if it's on general, nothing will show up there, so we'll have to put it on worksheet. So this is what we're going to do. So we just type target.calculate. So as you put target.calculate, that means it's going to calculate on any row that you highlight. Now after you are done, you can just close this code here. Now let's check it out. Now if I click on any row, you will see that it has highlighted on that row. This can help you to analyze information very easily, and also if you want to highlight on the active row or to the selected row, you can do this to make it happen. So feel free, let me know in the comment section if this video has been very helpful to you. Please give it a thumb up, and then don't forget to share your comment. I'll be there to help you. Now don't forget to subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time, and also share this video to help others. Now see you in my next video.